the road. Headed to the airport. Headed to the airport. Got Bay in the cut driving because I'm tired. But it's currently 7:22 and we're supposed to get there like 8:31. Our flight boards at 9, but don't take off until 9:45. So we make a good time if you ask me. But yes, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Of course.
Alright. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. We're just driving. We have to drive about an hour and 15 minutes away to the airport. So we'll catch y'all when we get there. So we have made it to the airport. Focus. Made it to the airport. You probably can't hear me, but it's dark. But headed to we got our mobile boarding pass, but I kind of want a physical copy to have. So we are headed in. We are through TSA, headed to our concourse. That's what it is. We got our boarding pass. We board in 5-6 minutes, so we're almost there now, so there's no rush. We gotta find an ATM though, so we can get cash. If you're going to Puerto Rico, get cash. As much as cash you can get. So yeah, talk to y'all when we are boarding. We have made it on the plane.
Puerto Rico. Please place your carrying items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small lightweight items be placed in the seat pocket, and if you need assistance, please let us know. If you are sitting in an exit seat, please review the safety card in the seat pocket, as you may need to open the exit in case of an emergency. Let a flight attendant know if you are willing to operate the exit or do not meet the exit.
Time here in Puerto Rico?
Yes, it is.
Enjoying. There are many things to see and to do.
Really?
To dance. You know to dance. You know dance?
Dance?
Dance merengue? No? Oh. You have to learn.
We are at our hotel. Okay, the Sheraton has a casino. Yeah, right there.
The best casino.
Really?
Best casino? Yes, that is good.
Oh my goodness. We're not trying to, well, we're going to get money. Oh, look at the Puerto Rico sign right there. And our hotel is here.
Here is the most exclusive in the city of Puerto Rico.
Really?
Yes.
So we made a good choice.
Yeah, we did.
Yes, yes.
Okay then. But I'll give you our room tour later, but woo! Look at this.
Hold on.
Come on.
I'm recording myself. That's nice right there. I ain't gonna cap.
Look at these. Maybe I won't give y'all room tour. Y'all see this?
I can't even show y'all what it is.
Who had on our TV? Look at this, y'all. These come up too, but we got, yeah, we just got a view of the back, the city view. Okay, I've changed. Back in the Uber, same Uber, shout out to my Uber driver. Going to the rainforest for ATV. CARABALI rainforest, where they have ATVing, UTVing, horseback riding, go-karting, food, all of that. So we just got off our plane, as y'all saw. We made it to the hotel, checked in, and our same Uber driver brought us here, and he's waiting on us to leave here. So we're supposed to start at 5. It is 4:21 now. We had to be here like 45 minutes early for the check-in process. He got us down this road fast. And then we're supposed to be done everything by 6, so he's waiting on us until 6. So thankful for that, even though he texted us, but it's okay because he's waiting on us and stuff like that. So yeah, we're just waiting in this area. Got our bandanas. Don't really match what I got on, but I got on like neutral colors anyway, so this kind of makes me pop out a little bit. Charging my phone right now because I need some extra charge. I don't want it to go dead, even though it's on 52%. So yeah, we just waiting on them to come get us. I'll probably vlog off my phone when I can, but I don't think they really want you to be vlogging. I mean, I don't think they really want you to have your phone out. How you feel, babe?
Feel good. Ready to ride. That's all.
Yeah, we're all ready to ride, but we feel like it's a different vibe out here. Like, we're in Puerto Rico! So yeah, and y'all, I got to spray me some, I got some bug spray. Yeah, I'm about to spray it because I got 2 bites already. And I don't even see no insects, but they got me. So, about to do that. And I'll get y'all when I can get home. Let me show y'all around. That's where you get on go-karts. I mean, not go-karts, ATVs. And that's the horse right there. That's where you check in. They got restaurants and stuff you can eat. Go-karts. And stuff like that. Babe. So we are clearly back from ATV riding. Couldn't record, but I recorded secretly on my phone, but it was in my pouch around my neck, so, and it was low, so it was like showing the vehicle. You couldn't really see what was happening. It's in there, and then I was moving, like all them bumps and stuff, it was moving a lot. So I may put some clips in here, I don't know. But we are now, what time is it? 7:26. We got here like what? I don't even remember. Had to be like 30, 45 minutes ago or something like that. So we just took a shower and got dressed. Don't mind my water stains from my hair, but I don't know if you can see. I just got on this basic dress from Pretty Little Things. My sandals, I can't see them, from Walmart. My shades are from Shein. This right here, I believe, is from Shein too. So yeah, that's the outfit of it. Oh, and that set I had on was from, I don't know if I showed y'all that set, but the set that I had on for ATV riding, that was from Pretty Little Things too. So yeah, this is the fit. Let's see baby's fit. Come on, babe. Oh yeah, this. These got big, and it's, I got on something basic too. I just put on some shades with it, but a basic white tee, wait, and some joggers. So this is it. So basically what we're about to do now is just find something to eat first of all, because I'm just, we did eat at ATV. We did eat it was ATV riding. One of the stops was like a little refresher like type thing, so you can get drinks and little food. And we got a chicken kebab, but it was so good. It was barbecue, it was good. $4 for 4 pieces of meat. You had a $1 a piece of meat. But that was good. And that's all we had a coconut, a pina colada inside of a real coconut, y'all. It was so good. So we had that. And then early on the plane I had chips. So that's all I ate all day. So we're about to find something to eat and see what's around us. I know it's a casino across the street. We might go to the casino. But yeah, that's all we have planned for tonight because we've been traveling, y'all. We've been up since 5 o'clock. We went to sleep at like 1 o'clock. So it's just a, you know, a chill day. We just wanted to get ATVs out the way. By the way, ATVs was fun. How you feel about ATVs, babe? He's in the
I give it a 10 out of 1 to 10.
Yeah, so ATVs was lit. I like it. It was just that my thumb was hurting, pushing the gas or whatever. But yeah, y'all, we'll get with y'all when we out of here and when we exploring. So y'all, this is the pool area. I was just recording. It's so nice. So nice, so nice, very nice. Oh, freaking lash in my eye. And this is the gym, We're at Longhorns. Yeah, I know, we can eat that in the States, but it's close by the hotel and it's in the States. And we're hungry, like I said before, we have not eaten, well, we've eaten a couple things. I still feel my stomach in my back, so we just wanted, well, we was gonna go to Olive Garden, but we was like, and then we never been to, well, I feel like I've ate here before, but I never like sat in here. And,
no, I ain't never had it. This is my first time.
Yeah, so why not try something new, right? So yeah, we eating that. We both gonna get burgers and fries. Very traditional, but it's a different burger. I'll show y'all that when it comes. We got lemonade and margarita. We got his on the rocks, I got mine frozen. I usually don't like girly drinks. I'm a shot person over drinks, like girly drinks as we call them, but I'm a sip. And we got some drinks at the hotel. We brought our own drinks. Well, we still gotta go get more drinks because anybody, I don't know. We might be alright. But yeah. So he came to turn up. But why not? Why not turn up, right? The lady told us, we was at the casino before we came here. The lady told us that this was not in walking distance. Now mind you, it is dark and you did have to go down the road or whatever, but this was definitely walking distance. Like we probably walking back.
Yeah, it took about a minute to get here.
Yeah, like literally a minute. So they just want our little $5 in the Uber. But so yeah, right over. Alright. So we had some shrimp. Waiting out food. We had frozen margarita and a margarita on rocks. I had the margarita on rocks.
What?
I did. Okay, he ordered the margarita on rocks. I ordered the frozen margarita. It was too strong for me. So he drank like 1 cup of, because it came in like a little steak. He drank like 1 cup of the margarita on rocks. And I drank like 2 cups of it. So who really drank the margarita on rocks? And look what he still got left. It is strong though. I mean, it ain't got. So yeah, we ate our appetizer. The shrimp. It was like 40 pieces of shrimp.
Really?
I got a burger. But
Got a dry pickup. While they come.
So yeah, waiting on our full table. So we totally forgot about it, but we got a Caesar salad too. Oh yeah, so we are taking a walk back to our hotel from, yeah, because we came out here, but we can walk on the sidewalk. We got to walk back to our hotel because look at these scooters.
What kind of animals is that?
Let me do this because I need to make sure we walking the right way. Yeah, we came that way, right?
What's going on, gang? So, as y'all can see, we are walking back to our hotel because there really wasn't no point in paying $10 when it's right down the street. So,
and the Uber was 10 minutes away.
Yeah, and Uber was 10 minutes away. And how long it take us to walk there? 10 minutes, right? 12? Hold on. So yeah, it really didn't make no point. So yeah, so we walking back. About to go back to the casino because she wanna spend some money on the casino.
Okay, y'all, so we are coming up back on our hotel. So I'm actually gonna end day 1 here. It's been a long day. Anyways, it's 9:48 now. Back home it'll be 8:48. Maybe must have went too long. So I'm gonna end it here because I'm tired, y'all. So we probably just drank a couple and watch some movies. We went to the casino just now. Ain't won nothing. Well, he won 25 cents. Look at how fancy. Ooh. Fancy. Did you see their breakfast? Babe? Can she want some breakfast? Yeah. In the morning? Cereal. Now I'm getting real tired. Like, we didn't even eat our entree. We ate some fries. Look at my stomach. Girl is big. You got your card out? Yeah. And you need your card to move on the elevator. Like, you can press the button here, but inside the elevator you need your key card. And it's like, I get why they do it, but god dang. Cause mine be in my wallet, in my purse. You have to dig in your purse. So I'll always be behind you. Excuse me. So yeah, hopefully it's warm in our room, y'all. Cause when we got here, see, look, you can press it all day and it won't do nothing. But yeah, official. Wow. But yeah, so we're gonna end our day 1. This is for the books. Yeah, we tired, so
clap some cheeks and go to sleep.
Don't call us grannies because we're going to bed early.
Clap some cheeks, go to sleep.
Good night.